Hey guys, this is Jamboss32. Today I'm going to show you how to take apart an LG GD510 or an LG Pop, and this is an old cell phone I've got. So I'm going to have a look inside. We'll have a little journey. So I'm just using some thumb screws. Unscrew it. That's the first one out. Yeah, man. Got a little bit of lard on it. Go for this top corner. Stubborn little ones they are. It's being a dick. Don't even know if that's coming in it. Cheers. Finally. So good when you're at flash, eh? I think we're in.
Yeah, man. As you can see here, he's trying to peel off the sticker to get in the inside, because he was pretty convinced there's a screw there, but there's clearly not. So he's replacing the sticker now. He's removing the last two screws that will access the inside of the LG GD510, the most up-to-date cell phone on the market at present, but he doesn't care. He's already blended his Xbox. Will it blend? That is the question. He's having a little bit of trouble again.
Good done, niggers.
He's now changing screwdriver. Know what they say?
Well, you're gay.
Meow.
Dang it. I don't understand.
There you go, there's the little fuckers there. He's now got one more to go.
Get rid of the condensation on my hands.
Hamish, I think you should tell some of your subscribers what you're doing.
I'm just trying to remove this bit since I've wanked over it.
Okay, that's fine. Do you guys understand? There we go.
There
Pop.
we go. LG pop, and it's going pop.
I think if he gets frustrated, he might just rip it off.
You need to be delicate with these kind of machines, Stango.
Okay, Ham, don't worry.
Shit.
He's cracking it out. There we go. We're inside. We're in.
Looks like a bit of the battery part there. You just see that there?
Yeah, man. Where are you? Yeah, man. I understand.
Just put that on there so we don't get lost.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Just looking at the slots in there, real nice.
As you can see,
QR code there. Some reg shit.
Yeah, man. See, if you want to search up some of this phone stuff, you can have a peek at the numbers, and also the QR. Well, that piece of shit if you want to know about that as well. Right, Hamish, tell your viewers the next step.
Alright, so trying to get this chip board off. Well, it looks like it's attached there. Might have some problems later. Down.
Damn, man. Oh, it's just like the iPod, actually. If you tilt,
shut up.
If you tilt this up, you can see the ribbon cable. This will just prise up. It's attached on the right as well, so you've got no... In fact, does this clip... I think this one...
need some more screws, so...
I think this bit just clips off. Trust me, it clips off. Just prise it off. No, oh, okay, just don't listen to me then, Ham.
Humphrey Bogarts.
Remember,
Blue
guys...
Peter's coming on next on BBC. That's pretty
remember, at the end of this video, guys, to rate, like, and subscribe. I've got some FIFA vids coming up soon.
Will it blend?
That is the question. He's just removing the camera right now. Oh, he's just going to break it because he's not bothered.
Look, there you go. That's how simple modern technology is. That's a digital camera for you.
Yeah, man, it's unreal. Got your bet, bro.
So... that bit just clips off there, and then...
the same on the other side. Or is it welded? To be honest, we said this was a tutorial to dismantle, but actually it's just a learning curve. Right, it's just as you can see, this part has been successfully disassembled via this point and this point. Hamish is now losing all his screws because he's a nutter with a putter. There's some there, Hamish. Right there.
Got them, you noob.
Okay. Camera, component, battery. No. Don't have a clue what Hamish is up to now. He's just unscrewing because he's a nutter with a putter. Boop. Hamish is just crumbling.
There we go. That's badass, man.
Just prise this bit out, and surely it will give way. Once you get it out, your phone will tell you you've got a 20G achievement. Hamish is getting a bit frustrated now, so he might just rip it out.
There's a button there. There's a wee soft key.
That's what he's on about. Button.
Go and shine a light in there.
Yeah, man. There you go. Just rip it off, mate. Trust me. There you go.
There's your speaker. It's a bit minging.
It's a bit minging. Alright, man.
So, here we go. Here's the final bit. It's the screen, man.
The screen. I think we should just leave that and end this video at this point.
I think you should shut up.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah,
That's it. That's his new cell phone. If I shine my light into this phone's screen, you'll be able to see my phone.
Oh fuck! Just dropped loads of crap. So there's the screen, and there's the newbie cover, which that shows you how powerful it is. It's almost as powerful as Boulder.
Right. Is this the end of the video, Hamish?
I think it is so far.
Pardon?
Shut up.
Would you like to say goodbye to your viewers and a thank you?
So don't forget to click subscribe and more videos from Jamboss32.
And all of the gang. I mean, this is us two. Alright. Goodbye.